Right, so good morning champions and welcome again sa ating channel. And nasa quarter 2 na tayo ng ating school year 2020-2021. So in this video, I'm going to discuss addition and subtraction of rational number. Okay? So in our first quarter, na tackle natin or napakapyawan natin ano yung rational numbers, which is ang katumbas ng elementary is fraction. So, fraction, pag sinabi natin fraction, tingin natin parang hirap lagi. So, dito, tuturo natin kung paano siya magiging mas madali mag-add and mag-multiply, divide and subtract of rational numbers. So, pag sinabi natin rational numbers or similar, the word similar, okay? The similar rational number actually, that is fractions having the same denominator. Okay? Fractions having the same denominator. So, the word is the same. Okay? Kapag ka dissimilar fractions, syempre, not the same. Right? So, ang focus natin ngayon is i-apply natin yung 4 basic operation on rational numbers or fractions. So, let's start. Let's start with addition and subtraction of similar rational number. Okay? So, having example here, 3/5 plus 4/5. Okay, so this is addition of similar rational number. Bakit siya similar? Kasi pareho sila ng denominator. Okay? So, adding rational numbers or adding similar rational number, ang gagawin lang natin kapag same ng denominator is kukopyahin lang natin yung denominator since pareho sila na 5. Okay? So, 5. Then, we're going to simply add the numerator. That which is 7. So, 7 over 5 is the answer. But, sometimes, nire-require yan na i-convert kapag ang tawag dito is improper fraction. Improper rational numbers. Bakit siya improper? Kasi mas malaki yung numerator. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is ko-convert natin yan into mixed number. So, paano siya i-convert? Gagawin natin yung numerator, okay? Numerator divide denominator, which is, so, 7 divided by 5. Okay, so 7 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Then minus, which is 2. So, this is whole number. This is numerator. And this is our denominator. Okay? So, paano natin isulat? We have 1 and 2/5, which is our final answer. So, ganun lang siya kadali mag-add ng rational or similar rational number. Okay? Now, same yan kapag nag-subtract tayo ng similar rational numbers. Like, for example, we have yung example natin kanina, 3/5 minus 4/5. Okay? So, same. Copy the denominator, which is 5. Then, subtract numerator. 3 minus 4, we have -1. So, we're going to apply now yung rules of integers na napag-aralan natin noong first quarter. So, same lang ang procedure. Another example, 2/3 or -2/3 minus 1/3. Okay? So, same denominator, just copy the denominator. And then, sulat natin para hindi malito, -2 minus 1. Okay? Which is our numerator. Yan. It's negative. Okay? So, -2 minus 1, we have -3 over 3. So, yung answer natin dapat lagi na sa lowest term. So, -3 over 3 or divide natin yan. Okay, that's -1. Ginawa natin, dinivide natin yung numerator sa denominator. So, ang answer is -1. Okay? So, that is addition and subtraction of similar rational numbers. Now, ang next natin na gagawin is adding and subtracting dissimilar rational numbers. Okay? So, dissimilar, ibig sabihin magkaiba ng denominator. So, yan yung medyo nalilito yung karamihan sa mga estudyante kung paano mag-add subtract ng dissimilar rational number. So, like for example, 2/3 plus 1/4. Okay? So, karamihan, ang ginagawa nila, kapag hindi nila naintindihan, ang ginagawa nila, pinag-a-add natin nila itong dalawa. So, ang ginagawa nila, 7, tapos in-add nila to. Okay? 3. Which is wrong. Okay? Wrong. So, paano nga ba siya gagawin? So, ang gagawin natin, if I have 2/3 plus 1/4, ang gagawin natin, hanapin natin unang-una yung LCD. Okay? So, LCD is least common denominator. Common denominator. Okay? So, we have 3 and 4. So, our LCD is 12. Paano nakuha yan? So, yung ginagawa ng iba, nag-skip counting sila. Like, for example, 3, tapos 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Nag-skip counting. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So, ngayon, nahanapin nila anong number yung common sa kanila, yung pinakamaliit na number na common sa kanila. So, dito, we have 12. Okay? Kaya yung denominator natin ay 12. Alright? So, ganun hinahanap ang LCD. Isa lang yan sa mga way. Actually, may ibang way pa paano hanapin yung LCD. At na-discuss na yan ng elementary kayo. So, skip counting na lang muna gamitin natin. So, LCD is 12. Now, after natin mahanap ang LCD, anong sunod na gagawin? So, ang sunod na gagawin, ito, yung denominator natin, i-divide natin doon sa denominator. So, divide. So, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Tapos yung sagot, ita-times natin. Equals times 2. So, again, 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 2. We have 8. Okay? Then, 12 divided by 4, divide, tapos times 1. So, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Times 1, we have 3. So, plus 3. Then, 8 plus 3, we have 11 over 12. So, since proper fraction naman, mas maliit yung numerator and malaki yung denominator, ibig sabihin yan yung ating final answer. Okay? So, ganun na siya padaling mag-add ng dissimilar fraction. Now, proceed tayo with subtraction naman of dissimilar fraction. Right. So, yung next na gagawin natin is how to subtract naman ng rational number. Okay? So, example, we have negative 3/4 minus negative 5/6. Naman natin ng integers. Okay, so skip counting ulit tayo. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Sa 6 ay 6, 12, 18, 24. So, pinakamaliit na number na common is 12. So, our denominator, LCD, is 12. Okay, next. Gagawin natin 12 divided by 4 is 3. Times negative 3, we have negative 9. Minus 12 divided by 6 is 2. Times negative 5, we have negative 10. Okay? So, denominator natin ay 12. Next, we have subtraction of integers. So, change the sign. Change the minus into plus. So, we have negative 9 plus 10. We have 1. 12. Okay? So, that is 1 over 12. So, ganun lang siya mag-add and subtract ng rational number. Ngayon, proceed tayo with multiplication and division kasi madali lang yan. Okay? Right, so next is multiplication of rational numbers. So, multiplication, madali lang kasi siya at saka yung division. So, like for example, 2/3 times 3/4. Okay? So, ang ginagawa lang dito, multiply numerator, multiply denominator. So, 2 times 3, we have 6. Then, 3 times 4, we have 12. Tapos, tingnan nyo lagi yung answer niyo kung pwede pang i-lowest term. Paano mag-lowest term? Hanap kayo ng malaking number na pwede mag-divide sa kanilang dalawa. So, dito, pwede siyang i-divide na 6. Okay? Yung 6 divisible by 6, yung 12 pwede i-divide ng 6. So, 6 divided 6 is 1. 12 divided 6 is 2. So, that is 1/2. Now, yung isang way naman sa multiplication ng rational numbers is yung tinatawag na cancellation. So, we have 2/3 times 3/4. So, numerator, denominator are the same. So, pwede siyang i-cancel. Take note, pag nag-cancel kayo of numerator and denominator, hindi pwede yung denominator. Dapat numerator and denominator. So, same yan. So, ang naiwan dito is 1. 1 dito ay 1. Parang dinivide lang natin. So, 2 and 4 are also divisible by 2. So, divide na rin ng 2, 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, 1 times 1, the answer is 1. Then, 1 times 2, the answer is 2. So, we have 1/2, which is the same as our answer kanina. Okay? So, that is multiplication. Again, I'll give you another example. Another example, we have negative 3/4 times 6/8. Yeah, 6/8. So, multiply natin. Unahin natin yung kanina. So, 3, negative 3 times 6, we have negative 18. Okay, multiply natin. 4 times 8, we have 32. Okay, so 32. So, itong dalawa, pwede natin i-divide ng 2. Divisible by 2 yan silang dalawa. So, 18 divided by 2, we have negative 9. 32 divided by 2, we have 16. So, dito, wala nang ibang number na pwede mag-divide sa kanila maliban sa 1. So, that's the final answer. Now, this time, tingnan natin yung cancellation kung pareho sila ng magiging sagot. Negative 3/4 times 6/8. So, itong dalawa is divisible by 2. Yan. Pwede i-divide na to. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? Then, bago tayo mag-multiply. Negative 3 times 3, we have negative 9. Then, 2 times 4, we have 2 times 8, we have 16. So, that's our answer, which is same with this one. Okay? So, ang dali lang mag-multiply ng fraction. Right? So, another example for division naman. So, sa division naman, like for example, 3/4 divided by 2/3. So, ang gagawin natin, kukopyahin lang natin yung first fraction natin, 3/4. Tapos, yung divide, gagawin natin times. Okay? So, divide, naging times. And then, take the reciprocal. When we say reciprocal, yung i-reverse natin. So, instead of 2/3, gagawin natin 3/2. 3/2. Okay? So, that is reciprocal. Reciprocal. Okay? Then, pwede na tayo mag-multiplication. So, 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 2, 8. So, improper fraction, gawin nating mixed number. So, 9 divided by 8 is 1. That's 8. Is 1. So, we have 4, 1, and 1, 8. Okay? So, yun yung sa division naman. Now, may mga number minsan na may mixed number naman. Okay? So, discuss natin yung may mixed number. Simula addition hanggang division. Mixed number. So, maraming way ng pag-solve. Pero ito, way na to, isa lang sa mga ginagamit ko para solve ng rational number. Like for example, 2 and 3/4 plus 1 and 1/3. Okay? So, yung isang way is i-convert natin to into improper fraction. So, paano gagawin? Itong dalawa times tapos add. Okay? So, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So, we have 11 over 4 plus 3 times 1 tapos plus 1. So, 3 times 1 is 1 plus 1 is 4. So, we have 4 over 3. Tapos, saka tayo mag-LCD. Isa lang to sa mga way. Actually, marami namang way. So, 12 divided by 4. 12 is LCD. Skip counting. So, 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 11. We have 33. Plus, 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 4 is 16. So, meron tayong 33 plus 16. Meron tayong 49 over 12. So, divide natin kasi improper fraction. So, 49 divided by 12 is 4. So, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. 1. So, or 4 and 1 over 12. Okay? So, 4 and 1 over 12. So, tandaan natin 4 and 1 over 12 yung sagot natin. Kasi, papakita ko yung isang way ng pag-solve niyan. Okay, so yung isang way, ang ginagawa dyan is pinag-a-add lang yung pinag-a-add lang yung whole number. So, meron tayong 1 and 2. So, 1 and 2 is 3. Okay? Plus, so, 3/4 plus 1/3. So, yung 2 at saka 1, pinag-add na natin. So, itong dalawa na lang yung i-add natin. Okay? So, 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 3 is 9. Plus, 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1 is 4. So, 9 plus 4 is 13 over 12. So, 13 over 12 or 1 and 1, 12. So, yung 1 na yun, i-add natin yan dun sa isa, sa 3. So, meron kang 4 and 1 over 12. This is same as dun. Okay? So, isa yun sa mga way. Yung isang way naman, so, yung process na to can apply dun sa also sa subtraction naman. So, same lang nang gagawin. So, yung isang way naman na hindi ko makakalimutan na natutunan ko pa ng grade 6 ako na tinuro sa amin is yung, ano naman siya, vertical way to add fraction. Isa yun sa mga favorite ko na ginagawa nung elementary ako, especially nung grade 6 ako kay Ma'am Norma. Ayan. So, example, you have 2 and 1/3 plus 1 and 3/4. So, ang ginagawa dyan, sulat natin siya sa vertical. So, 2 and 1/3 plus 1 and 3/4. Ito, isa to sa mga way. So, add natin yan. So, 2 plus 1, we have 3. Okay? So, dito, kukunin na natin yung LCD nilang dalawa. Ang LCD natin kanina ng 3 and 4 is 12. 12. So, 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 3, we have 9. So, 12 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4, times 1 is 4. So, itong dalawang numerator, ipag-add natin. So, we have 13. We have 13 over 12. Tapos, ito, improper, i-convert natin to mixed number. So, we have 1 and 1, 12. Yung 1 na yun, i-add pa rin natin yan dun sa 3. So, ang final answer natin is 3 and 1, 12. So, ganun siya ginagawa. Okay? So, that's how we add, subtract, divide, and multiply rational number. Thank you.